So you might be asking, why choose PBCS, a cloud subscription-based service versus an on-premise implementation? These are kind of the quick hitters here. So faster innovation, so that's a big one. That shorter upgrade cycle. Those of you who have been through upgrades in an on-prem environment, you and understand that it's a tedious task and can be time-consuming, and also sometimes maybe just not the best investment for your organization. With PBCS, the subscription-based cloud model, you're always going to have the latest and greatest release in your instance. So, again, that's why we're really reviewing these releases to help you understand, which enhancements are meaningful to your organization and what can you start to leverage more of. And again, no additional cost with those new enhancements. They're just going to continue to feed them to your instance. The next one here being faster deployment. Because there is a little bit more of integration in the cloud, the more cloud offerings your organization moves to, the more seamless your environment will become. So, you can take advantage of some of the pre-installed and pre-configured components for data integration, as well as some of the data visualization factors as well. Overall, what we've seen with our clients is this definitely does result in a lower cost, ultimately from your organization. So, the big ones obviously being reduced infrastructure and reduced IT maintenance costs, because you no longer have to purchase servers, you no longer have to allocate CPU across the organization to your EPM instance. All of that is covered within your cloud subscription-based service. I think lower risk is something that's oftentimes not looked at close enough. So you can have the best installed on-prem instance, in the world, and we'll still have downtime, from period to period. You're just always kind of hoping that, maybe the service doesn't go down during a critical close cycle, or during a critical budget cycle, and we're always kind of crossing our fingers for that. But obviously, inevitably, that will happen from time to time. So when your system's down, that's a lot of lost cost and effectiveness for the organization. With PBCS, and we see that 100% uptime being very true. So the only time we ever see an outage is when it's purposely scheduled, to improve something or to apply some sort of patching. But all of that is communicated effectively, and you don't have to worry about unexpected downtime with Oracle's subscription-based model here. So those are some quick benefits of why organizations typically choose PBCS and why they've continued to move to the cloud here through the past few years.